Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be making a snake knot bracelet. So just jump right into the tutorial. So you put the two ends together like so and find the midpoint in the cord. So the right cord goes over the left, okay, and behind comes back. The left cord goes behind and comes into this loop or hole, as you may decide to call it. And now you push this knot really close to the beginning or to the end of the loop, like so. You pull this pull, then adjust it until you get to the very end. Okay, not to worry, going to have to pass our feed through this place here, so you can see you can pass. So yeah, this should be fine. So you just make that nice and tight. Of course, this is what we will do all through the bracelet. So the left goes over the right goes behind and comes into this loop right here, and then you pull that. Okay, then you pull this way. So you see what I'm doing. I'm using my index finger and my thumb to hold just the tip right here, and use my index finger and my thumb of my other hand to push this very close to the first knot that has been made already. So this is pretty much what we will do throughout this. So I'll just make couple more. The left goes over the right, comes back this way. The right goes behind, comes into this loop. Okay, so you pull this down, you pull left and right. Okay, this is it. Like, this is all what we're going to be doing. This is like the easiest bracelet I've ever made. Like, it's super easy and fast. I mean, fast is the word. Okay, so I'm just going to go off camera now, complete this, and come back and show you what to do next. Okay guys, I'm back. So if you notice, I made about 5.5 inches. I don't know if you can see this. I made about 5.5 inches. Okay, so this part is going to be for the sliding knot. So what you do is pass this into the feed like so. Try it super tight. Okay, and now we're going to pass our feed through this hole here. So what you want to do is going to take so my knot is going to be here. Okay, so you just want to push this down a bit. Okay, straighten it out. Alright, because you don't want somebody twisting around. Okay, so I think this is straight enough. So I'll make my cord right here, my knot right here. So I'm just going to do a cobra knot, alright, and a regular tie. So if you can see, it's actually very short, but I'm sure you can see. So the left goes over the right, and the right goes over and into this loop here. Okay, so you want to pull this, pull sideways, pull both ways rather. Just pull this. Okay, this is all. have your snake knot. So what you want to do is cut this close to the knot as much as possible. Okay, do the same to the other side. Cut this close to the knot as much as possible. Alright, then you cinch this. Careful so it doesn't burn. Okay, I think that's enough. Now you use this to press this down. Okay, so now this secures this. Alright, do the same for the other side. Just slightly burn. Okay, make sure you don't burn yourself in the process. Okay, so that's fine now. Use your scissors or something, metal, and press that down. Okay, so yes, bracelet is ready. So take this away and try to fit it in to your hands. Alright, so yes, this is nice. Yeah, it's perfect fit. You can actually loosen it up a bit. Yes, so this is fine. So what I like to do is I like to tuck this in. Alright, so yeah, the bracelet is done. Thank you for watching.